นี่คือประเทศไทยที่กำลังมุ่งไปสู่จุดหมายเพื่อพัฒนาให้เรายิ่งใหญ่แต่จะไปถึงตรงนั้นได้ยังไงแต่เราไม่เช็คสภาพเลย
Like vehicles, countries need checkups to keep things running smoothly, efficiently, and effectively. Also, like vehicles, countries require a good set of directions in order to reach their destination. Systems which help us to check on the engine and ensure that we are going the right direction help with accountability. Citizens have the right and the responsibility to demand good performance from the government. After all, the government is elected by the people and provides services using public money. Accountability looks at the relationship between citizens and policymakers, which bring up two important questions. First, how can citizens voice their ideas and opinions to the government? Second, how can they receive information on what the government is doing to address their need? Citizens make the government more accountable when they express their needs and suggestions. To do that, they need information and tools to check the government's performance. Both the government and citizens have to be involved for this to happen. When citizens and the government work together to promote accountability, then our motorcycle can move forward smoothly and quickly and take us where we want to go.